Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content. This one's brought to you by Carl's Garage. Head on over to Carl's Garage if you want to see more exclusive content on Kia engine settlement. So if you have a Kia or a Hyundai vehicle and you want to know how to get your engine replaced, head on over to Carl's Garage because that is the channel where I'm going to be doing only Kia content and car content and helping you keep your car fresh. But in today's quick video on Straight Outta Content, and just to promote Carl's Garage channel, I'm just letting you guys know that in the link in the description down below, you can go and right to this website right here and you will be able to print out your Kia pamphlet. If you guys don't know, on Carl's Garage, I just did a video telling you about the KSDS. That stands for knock sensor detection software, and you need it in order to get your engine replaced. So in this little pamphlet that Kia provides, please keep this pamphlet in your Kia vehicle's glove box with the owner's manual. This is very important. If you do not have the owner's manual, or you do not have any paperwork, or your engine already messed up, still get this pamphlet because it comes with a lot of information. So you will be able to download this, and you can either print it out like I did, or you can just keep it in your phone. So as you see right here, the first page, KSDS. Without this on your engine, you're not gonna get it replaced. It's just the way that it is. It's a way that Kia was able to protect themselves. So if people come in and your engine is messed up, chances are you're gonna be denied if you don't have this KSDS. So you can go ahead and screenshot this if you wanna read it here. Again, the link is in the description for this whole thing. Then this right here is lifetime warranty. Don't let anybody fool you. When you do get your engine replaced, you have a lifetime warranty. So if your engine fails for a second time, you get a new one. If your engine fails for a third time, you get a new one. This lifetime warranty, these are for all the models, Sorento vehicles, and there's other vehicles that this also applies to. Any car with this engine, it applies to. And even some of the Kia Soul engines as well. But in order to find out, you gotta call your local Kia or Hyundai dealership. And then the last page is, this is my favorite page because it's a maintenance log. So if this is your first time watching this video, print out this, go in the description below, definitely hit that like button, hit subscribe, head on over to Carl's Garage, subscribe as well, because I'll do a longer video, more in depth. But this right here is the where you want to date it. So if today's your first day, you want to date it today, put the mileage, and then description of service. But if you haven't, or put the last time you had any type of service, even if you did it yourself, still put that down there, because without this, they will deny you. And then here's a phone number right here, Kia Consumer Assistance Program, and then the KiaEngineSettlement.com. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it. This is a really quick video. Just want to let you guys know that this pamphlet is out, and you can click the link in the description and download it yourself, and I'm gonna help you get your engine replaced. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and head on over to Carl's Garage and comment there. I answer all my comments in Carl's Garage. Carl's Garage, you cannot miss it. The link will be in the description as well. Please, let's help everybody get their engine replaced. Be basic. Peace.